Now we are in Hamburg with my friend. Hello, brother.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey.
Brother, how are you?
Hey, fine. Perfect German weather here.
Well, this is Hamburg.
Yeah, Hamburg weather. of
Hamburg,
course.
number one weather in Europe countries.
Yeah. But
So
now
what
we can go direct from the airport to my store.
to the store directly.
Yeah, directly.
Oh my goodness, I am tired, bro.
I made some preparations for us.
Let's go, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah. Los detalles, señores.
Los detalles.
My friend, my brother, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from Alemania, Germany. Safe Shield products and car detailers.
Detailing and products.
Products. So, guys, today I'm going to show you the product Fuerte, the strong product in Alemania. Name of it?
Safe Shield Detailing and Products. Made in Germany.
Made in Germany, Alemania. Today, brother, we are in Germany, Hamburg, the beautiful city with Tim, Safe Shield Company, products, everything, but nano ceramic. Alemania, Germany. We are going to do polishing for this one, guys, with the doctor of the polishing, the doctor of the detailer. Team, my brothers. Let's go, brother, to make a polishing for this hoop. This is for Volkswagen.
Volkswagen Golf 4. Golf 4.
Golf 4. And also, we have machines. The machines is
The Flex.
Flex Alemania.
Yeah.
Alemania. And also, the special one.
Just German stuff. This is from Finland. This is
Finland.
Mirka.
In Arabic, we are calling this one Finlanda. Like this. I think this one is good for the makeup polishing for the beard or for the for my hair.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. Let's clean the surface before we start to polish.
I have a towel.
So I have here a cleaner, a degreaser.
What's kind of the chemical this one?
This is a degreaser.
Degreaser?
Yeah.
From which company?
From Safe Shield.
Wow,
Just from Safe Shield.
wow. So I will clean
Yeah.
like this. A crazy way. Can you put a little bit more? A little bit here, just more. There you go. Like this.
So this machine is brand new. I don't try it before, and yeah.
We will try this machine. We will test this machine, guys, because this is expensive machine.
This is very expensive. Yeah.
More than 1,000 euro. Euro, not. So.
Safe Shield pad, max cut pad, and max cut polish. It's our cutting system.
Mix cut bad, mix cut, but everything mixing here, and you will get a good
Everything
result.
is max. Everything is max or ultra here.
So we'll put a little.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
We'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will, guys, we will do as the camera showing to you on the right side. We are going to do the polish for this area, yeah, and we are going to test the chemical and to see this chemical, the shining, the removing of the scratch, and
We want to remove the scratches and yeah, make it shiny again. Yeah.
we make like this, guys. Like this, guys. So easy. I have another way also, guys, to make it more fast, because we have a long trip. I will make it like this. We'll try just to try. Los detalles.
Last time.
We'll make it like this, guys. We'll put more chemical just a little bit. And
This polish will never dust. So it never does.
never dust.
Never dust. Yeah.
And it's going to give us the perfect result.
Yeah, of course.
We will see.
Alles verkaufen.
To check the result, I need special towel.
Special towel?
Yeah.
You have lac, I have special towel.
Special towel.
Safe Shield special towel, yeah?
Safe Shield special towel.
Yeah. The best one, when I can open the bag. So.
Oh
Please
my
try.
goodness, so softy,
This
so
is
nicely,
very
so lovely. So guys, maybe now when I am cleaning, you can feel, not see, feel for the shining. You can hear it also. Team, what do you think?
So I think when we see where we start, so the result is good for one cutting step, or what do you mean?
One cutting step for this bad bonnet, damaged bonnet, I think the result is perfect. The result is super. Wow. صح ولا لا?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Look guys, if you will see, we can remove for the tape and you will see the deepness of the color. I have a new photography. I am paying for him 3,000 euro. Yeah, like this guys. Look guys, between this one and this one is a big difference. Between this one and this one is big difference. Look here, yeah, shining, deep. This chemical retain back the deep color for this damaged bonnet, because this is for the class, for the people that one is maybe this is the last time we are doing for the polish, right?
Yeah, it's a very old hood and it's a very hard VAW paint.
Ah, okay. Yeah, so guys, I think the result from everything is super. Yeah, and I am so happy to being in your garage and to test your chemical. I think as I tasted by myself, it is super. Wow. So.
Thank you that you are here.
Yeah,
It's an honor.
and we did not work for expensive machine.
We can try it.
We can try. I will try for the small one.
We can try it.
Yeah. I need to try this one. This one 1,000 euro for this machine. We will try for. We try where we try for this one.
I would make not so much polish because it's very fast.
Guys, this one soundless. You will not hear for machine.
It's quiet.
It's
really
quiet, yeah.
yeah.
The Germany style, they love for the quiet, for everything.
Quiet language.
Quiet. Don't make a noise, we will call the police, huh?
Yeah. Es gibt eine Anzeige.
Yeah, guys, I am thinking this one. Look for the movement. I think is.
It's a bit like an electro car.
Like correct. Just a little ماشي look. He likes to test it also. Both. Super. Wow.